Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, this is Making It Happen with Mary and I am Mary. Today is the first time I'm sitting down and recording since the holiday, since July 4th. Your girl needed a little bit of break. I needed a little bit of break. We had a lot of good times, it was a lot of fun over the holiday. So I hope everybody out there stayed safe and had a great time. Today's video, y'all, I know you guys have been waiting for this one. We are going to talk about that new one from Bath & Body Works. And not only talk about it, but compare it to some other ones out there that I've been seeing all over social media. Baby, what are we talking about today? Blueberry Bundt cake. Yep, blueberry Bundt cake. She was just released with the, again, strawberry pound cake and the cinnamon, what is that? The other pumpkin one, the pumpkin one. We'll get into that one too. But y'all, oh, and before I forget, y'all, I am, of course, today's lip look is by me. I am wearing Mermaid Tears by Banger Beauty by Mary. She is a gorgeous silvery gloss and she smells like salted caramel. Oh, yeah. This one, I love this one. Has that gorgeous big doe foot applicator. And she's beautiful. She's beautiful to wear on her own, but she layers so well with other lip colors, lip liners. Chef's kiss, honestly. Okay, let's get into blueberry Bundt cake, y'all. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, when I did my live last week, I was talking about, I had just gotten these in. I was so excited about them. And the excitement has not waned, y'all, for real. Scent notes on this are harvest blueberries, honey drizzle, and fluffy cake. I really like this one, yo. The blueberry is rich in here. You definitely get a strong blueberry. I get a tiny bit of bakery notes, what they call fluffy cake. But it's not like overly bakery. I'm not getting primary like just pound cake or just cake notes or just bakery notes in general. It is a gorgeous combination of these notes. I don't get a lot of honey in here either. What I do get is absolutely gorgeous, like blueberry cake yumminess. Highly recommend. The longevity on this was not too bad either. I got about 3 hours of wear out of her, which is not bad for a Bath & Body Works. Y'all know how they play. This ain't bad for that. Nah. But I want to talk about some comparisons. You guys ready? Oh my God, you ready? Okay, I have 4 here that I want to compare it to because these are the 4 I have seen the most all over social media. The first one being iced sugar plum. I know you're like, iced sugar plum. Yes, Bath & Body Works dropped this one. When was that? I want to say it was 2022. Yes, it was 2022. Iced sugar plum. Scent notes are sparkling sugar plum, snowdrop petals, and whipped marshmallow. And I'm going to have to say no. I'm sorry, sis. It's not the same. Like, I just don't see it. I don't see it whatsoever. I love this scent, as you can tell. I've used quite a bit of her. But you definitely get some type of a floral note in there mixed along with that sugar plum. It's gorgeous. I do love this scent. And you also get a heavy marshmallow whipped cream type of a note. It's gorgeous, but it's almost like one of those scents when you smell it. It's sweet enough that it almost reminds you of like popcorn. Do you know what I'm talking about? How some scents have like this very distinct like popcorn note. And I get that in here. I don't get anything like that in blueberry Bundt cake. Like none whatsoever. So are they similar? No, not in my opinion. Not in my opinion. Now the next one, I did see this one a lot, y'all, on Instagram especially. A lot of people comparing it to raspberry jam donut. I love this scent. This is all I have left of it. I think I have about maybe about right here right now. I freaking love it. I wear this mostly in the spring. Scent notes are wild raspberry jam, powdered sugar, and warm fluffy donut. I remember when this came out and a lot of people were saying, oh, that is a repackage of Santa's Blueberry Shortbread because it was released in the spring following Land of Sweets. This is not that, though, sis. Oh, no, 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 no. This is different. But let's compare it to blueberry bundt cake. It's good. Oh, it's good. You definitely get a raspberry note in here, though. You definitely get powdered sugar, that donut smell, like that bakery donut, like fresh baked donuts. I love this, but in comparison to blueberry bundt cake, I 100% get blueberry in here. And in this, I 100% get raspberry. So I know maybe to some people's sniffers, they smell maybe similar, those type of berry notes. But in my opinion, blueberry and raspberry are very different. Very different. Not to mention that in here, you get a lot more of that sugary donut, whereas I don't pick that up in here. Yeah, there's bundt cake, but it's more like bakery notes, not specifically bundt cake. I love it, but they're definitely different. Definitely different. The next two are the ones that I saw everywhere, like everywhere. And the first one I'm going to talk about is blueberry sugar pancakes. Yep, blueberry sugar pancakes. This was the OG packaging. She was dropped in 2021. I love this scent. Scent notes are sugared blueberries, fresh pancakes, and caramel cream drizzle. This one smells like that, what is it, maple blueberry pancakes, the candle? That's what this reminds me of. But I will say, in here, you get a distinct pancake note. Pancakes smell very different from other bakery scents. Like pancakes have a very distinct scent to them. The blueberry's rich in this. It's beautiful. In comparison to blueberry bundt cake, though. No, they're not the same. I feel like this one has a sweeter bakery note in it in comparison to the blueberry sugar pancakes. Blueberry sugar pancakes, you definitely get pancake. I don't pick up pancake in here. I just don't. My sniffer, hey, your sniffer may think these are the same, because I've seen a ton of people saying that they think these are identical. I'm sorry, I have to respectfully disagree with you. I don't think they're the same. I don't. There is a definite difference between these two. Now the last one is the one I wanted to compare it to so much. Because when I did that live and I was sitting there smelling this, I'm going, y'all, I swear to God, during that live, I was dead set. This is a repackage. This is a repackage. What did I think it was? Now, I have not smelled this. I wanted to wait to do this with y'all. And if I'm wrong, so be it. But I wanted to do it with y'all. And I really was convinced during that live, Santa's Blueberry Shortbread. Yep, Santa's Blueberry Shortbread. This was from 2019's Land of Sweets Christmas collection. I loved that collection. That was the first time we saw Christmas cookies. We saw the ice lemon, or lemon snowdrops. Lemon snowdrops. That year was freaking fantastic. Oh my God, just amazing, amazing. Now, because it's an older bottle, it does not have scent notes. I do have a lotion though, thank you, Jesus. Oh, I shouldn't do that. I shouldn't smell. Scent notes are baked blueberry, crumbled shortcake, and whipped cream. So baked blueberry, crumbled shortcake, and whipped cream, harvest blueberries, honey drizzle, and fluffy cake. You ready? You ready? Oh, it's, I'm going to have to do the hand spray. I'm going to have to. I'm going to be walking around smelling like a blueberry today. Blueberry. Every time I think of blueberries, I think of Willy Wonka and that Veruca salt. Or was it Veruca? No, the one that chewed the gum. The one that chewed the gum a lot. Yeah. And she turned into a big blueberry. That's exactly what I think of. Okay, Santa's blueberry on this side, blueberry bundt cake on this hand. Let's go in for a sniff. Oh my God, this is so freaking good. I love this one. Are they similar? Yes. Are they identical? No. So yes, I will eat my words. This is not a repackage, in my opinion, of Santa's Blueberry Shortbread. Differences are as follows. This is super strong, decadent, beautiful blueberry shortbread. Absolutely gorgeous. And as much as I love this one, when I smell them side by side, I actually do pick up honey in here after smelling this hand with the shortbread. But other than that, they smell pretty damn similar. The difference that I'm getting mostly is compared side by side, I'm definitely getting notes of honey in this one that is not in here. But damn, are they close, yo. That is like the only difference in my opinion. Me personally, the longevity, like I said, is good on this, but this was fire. Like fire, especially when you layered it with the lotion. Like, holy moly, that sucker lasted. I'd put it on in bed and I could still smell it in the morning. It was crazy, crazy. This, the longevity and the strength is not there like what's in this one. But damn, they are close. They are close. But the winner still would be Santa's Blueberry Shortbread. This was fire. But I will say, if you missed this scent, or you're looking for something close enough to be a replacement, this one's good. It's good. I highly recommend this. Yes, but y'all, that is my thoughts, review, and comparison on the new blueberry bundt cake. What did you think? Did you get your hands on her? Did you love her? Did you hate her? Did you pass, snatch? Definitely let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to get over to Banger Beauty by Mary and get you some mermaid tears. We still have a month and a half, almost 2 months of summer. Make use of it, baby. I know we get excited for fall, but damn it, it is still summertime. Because come winter, a lot of us are going to be crying about where the hell was summer. Well, you were in such a rush to get to fall, baby. That's where summer went. You know what I mean? So enjoy summertime. Get you some mermaid tears. And, yeah. But we're at my favorite part, y'all. Ready? Ready? Like, comment, subscribe, and ding the bell so you're alerted every single time your girl uploads. And I will see you in the next one. All right, you guys. Bye-bye.